Hello, I'm back. I'm on the phones today, so I'm answering lots of phone calls from people for the Valent and Megaflow websites and their business and stuff. So, but it has gone reasonably quiet this afternoon. So I thought I'd sneak over to the workshop and do a bit more work with these. Now, I finished this off yesterday. That's brake discs. So I've drilled and countersunk the holes, so we get some nice polished screws, brass screws that will fit flush into that. And the idea is obviously once it's finished. This is some birch ply that I found in a skip in East London, so I whipped that out, put it in the van when I brought it home. So I'll give it a light stain with some mahogany Danish oil and routed the edge off, so it's nice and smooth. And the idea is obviously so this goes on the floor. So if you've got a nice hardwood floor, like a real wood floor or something like that, it's not going to do any damage. So the next stage is now really is trying to work out how we're going to get from here up to some plates so the tabletop can go onto it. And the difficult thing, or the conundrum is I've got to weld those up. Don't know how I'm going to do it yet, so I haven't decided. But obviously they've got to be identical in height, so that the table's actually level. So that is a bit of a problem. But I have got a plan. Whether it will work out or not, I have no idea. But I do have a plan. So I'm going to disappear in now. I'm going to have my cup of tea. Obviously, get your priorities right before we do anything. So finish the tea and then we're off in there into the garage and the workshop and see what we can do. Who knows? Now you might think this looks a bit mad, and that's because it is. I don't know how I come up with this idea. This is a coffee table that my mum had years ago. It's been out in the garage, and because it's wood I couldn't bear to throw it away because I can't throw wood away. Anyway, I've been falling over it for God knows how long, and then I come up with this brilliant idea, because this is obviously already a coffee table, excellent, and it's already set at the right height. So I've made this frame up. Now in here the disc is fitted and screwed to the base, dead centre, and then I've cut this and put this on it. And I don't know if you can see this in the camera or not, but I've put two plates up there that are screwed and fixed in, so identical positions, which enables me then hopefully to be able to, when I do the welding, I'll be able to get those in line, it'll be reasonably symmetrical and obviously the right height. And then when I've finished fixing those plates on, I can just simply remove that and then put the other disc in, put the other plates back in the same place. Happy days! So hopefully we should get two legs, feet, whatever, right exactly the same height once they're welded up. But we'll have to wait and see. Right, well, it's been a busy day because I've been stuck on the phones, and every 5 minutes and every time I picked up the welder or picked up to do anything, the phone kept ringing, so it's been a bit frustrating. But we've got basically, the plan worked ish. So the top's on, and I managed to get the uprights in, so they're all done, but obviously I've got to clean it all up, and then what I'm going to do is get it back out in the welding shop, because I've got to obviously join these together. So I'm looking at bending some metal, maybe doing some bendy stuff and some rods across and filling it up a bit, making it look a bit more jazzy. But generally speaking, it's worked out all right actually, nice and strong, and yeah, happy days. On to the next bit then.